Today, I want to show you how to create this grain glitch photo effect. Right-click on your image and convert it to a smart object. Go to the Levels Adjustment settings. Adjust the middle slider to make your image brighter. After that, add a black and white filter. Reduce the red tones to 24% and yellow tones to 40%. Now go to the filter gallery. Apply dry brush filter with the brush detail set to 10 and other parameters set to 0. Then add a grain filter. Set the intensity to 55 and contrast to 25. Add grain filter one more time, but change the intensity to 25 and contrast to 75. Add torn edges filter. Adjust the image balance as you like. Set the smoothness to 15 and contrast to 1. Create 2 duplicates of your image using Ctrl-J keys combination. Double-click on the first copy and make only the red channel visible. Then leave only the green channel visible on the second copy. Hit Ctrl-T and stretch the duplicates to left and right. Don't forget to follow us and hit the like button.